6 Easy Ways to Make Profit from Bitcoin. Cryptographic money is a controversial polarizing point in web-based entertainment as well as beyond it. While a few groups support digital money as the conceivable future cash, more individuals go against this thought. The ones who go against this thought have their major motivations to be against cryptographic money. For instance, its exceptionally unpredictable nature was portrayed through the new Bitcoin crash in April. Likewise, they guarantee how strong and powerful individuals have some control over the recurring pattern of the crypto market with only one irregular tweet. Moreover, the ones who support digital currency have their own motivations to continue to put resources into cryptographic money, independent of a few problematic diagrams connected with Bitcoin. Most help being their own bank and furthermore the straightforwardness that accompanies it. What's more, in the event that you are among individuals who backing putting resources into digital forms of money like Bitcoin yet or don't know how to create a gain from Bitcoin, look at these fabulous tips. The most effective method to benefit from Bitcoin. Following are the 6 manners by which you, particularly fledglings, can begin effective money management to create a gain from Bitcoin. 1. Exchanging or trading. Exchanging is the initial step that each novice should be aware of to begin creating a gain from Bitcoin. When you find out about Bitcoin exchanging, you will understand that it is the most amazing aspect of Bitcoin, contributing as Bitcoin exchanging is available over the course of the day. Likewise, while Bitcoin exchanging, consistently recollect the overall guideline of thumb, i.e., contribute just what you can bear to lose. 2. Financial investing. Following up, after Bitcoin exchanging, comes the financial planning part. Putting resources into Bitcoin will show you the significance of selling your Bitcoins with perfect timing. Purchasing Bitcoin available to be purchased with perfect timing is a kind of procedure that assumes a fundamental part in assisting the Bitcoin dealer with creating gains from Bitcoin. For instance, in the event that you need to make a drawn-out venture, keeping Bitcoins in an equipment wallet is better. 3. Mining. Bitcoin mining is a well-known method of creating a gain from Bitcoins. Here you can embed new blocks to the Bitcoin network through blockchain innovation, where you should tackle cryptographic riddles. The more you address these riddles, the more you can procure benefits from Bitcoins. In any case, after each tackled puzzle, the trouble level increments, so you might consider joining a gathering of Bitcoin excavators to proficiently settle the riddles more. 4. Micro-earning. With Bitcoins ascending in prominence, a few promoting recordings and online overviews reward few Bitcoins as a compensation to acquire exchanges and taps on their recordings and reviews. Indeed, here you will not be creating any immense gains. Yet, you can take on this technique to create gains from Bitcoin in your recreation time. Likewise, watching a couple of promotions doesn't consume a lot of time. 5. Accept it as a payment. As Bitcoin's notoriety keeps on taking off, a few businesses and partnerships, for example, Starbucks and McDonald's have begun evaluating Bitcoin and some other digital currencies as a method of steadfastness projects and installments. Similarly, you could accept Bitcoin as installment for your administrations and work and later can exchange a similar Bitcoins to create more gains. Moreover, Bitcoin installment will permit you to acknowledge installment from any place on the planet with next to no problem. 6. Loaning. Loaning Bitcoin is like loaning cash. Simultaneously, you can focus on the eventual fate of cryptographic money and create a gain from it. Yet, to do that, you should contribute a particular time continually. Nonetheless, you can deliver Bitcoins on rent to other Bitcoin specialists and create a gain from it in a more predictable way without doing anything. This can likewise be viewed as a latent strategy to procure benefits from Bitcoin. Albeit, very much like with cash, you should be cautious with who you are loaning your valuable Bitcoins to. We at Delicate Money are focused on keeping you refreshed with the best happy on the most recent stylish subjects from any significant field. Additionally, both your criticism and ideas are important to us. In this way, do share them in the remarks segment beneath.